The last assignment, guys, that we have to do back in Progress Sheet 1 is Case 1-1 Theft. And usually as you go through and you start working on these back on the yellow pages in the book, there's less and less directions, and the cases are typically this way. So theft, they're just asking you to go out and you need to come up with a list of 10 items that you could use to help protect yourself against identity theft. So again, the setup is going to be just like apply. So we need to go back, and again, we'll set up everything just like as we did back in apply. So here are the directions. They really don't give you much. They give you some guidelines, like you have to have an HTML web page, you do a heading 1, you do an on order list. Essentially, that's it. So now, listen, back in Dreamweaver, what are we going to do? Again, right now, I'm currently back in the business plan one. I'll close out of that. I go back to site setup, just like in apply. I'm going to call this ID theft, or you can just call it theft. That's fine. Point out to your theft folder, hit select folder, and save. You'll then go back and say new HTML document and set up on this. I already have mine done, so I'll show you with my example. So again, I just labeled it tips for to protect yourself from identity theft, and went out and found some things online that I could go back and do that. So essentially that's all we have to do. When you're done, again, just preview in browser. Again, you have a title on the title bar, you have an on order list, you get 10 of them, make sure there's 10. And then back within Dreamweaver, again, this is what I want to see over here, your actual folder name and set up with this.